Hi, welcome to Wirral Code Club. Today I'll be doing a brief tutorial on Scratch. You should have created your Scratch account from our last video. If you haven't, please do so. Introduction to Scratch. Open up your Scratch. Here we have Scratch. At the top here, we're going to change the title. For this, I'm just going to call it Tutorial. Here we go. There's our little sprite. Remove the sprite by just clicking on the cross. And there's our empty screen. We're going to add a new stage or backdrop, background, and choose your own. You can paint one, you can have a surprise, you can upload your own backgrounds or a photo or something. And let's have a look at some of the backgrounds. Right, for now, I am going to have a look at the XY grid because this is very handy to learn. You have a Y and X axis, or X or Y as it should be, with 0 in the middle and all the coordinates. There we have a sprite. So again, create your own, paint your own, surprise. Let's have a little look at some of the sprites. For this, I'm going to look for one that moves. Let's have a little look through them. So you just scroll down. Oh, he moves. So let's see if there's any others. No, they don't move. I'm just going to pick this little referee. Oh, where am I off? Yep, there we go. So there he is. So if we drag him to the centre, you can see he's not actually in the centre. So here you've got your X and Y. We're going to change them to 0. You can hide and show him. There he is. There he isn't. There you go. Go on, back and change his size to half size, to double size. For now, we're just going to put him at 100%. Then we've got our directions, which has, it's so easy to see. You don't have to know your angles, but it's great for learning all your angles. So they've got a 90, 180, and goes round. So I want to face him back at 90. And these are our code blocks, all nicely colour coordinated. We've got our costumes. As you can see, they're the different styles and things. We'll be going over them in activity 1. And we've got some sounds. He moves, you can turn him and click them in here to get an idea of what the code does. There we go. Have a little play yourself. And we go down to looks. So you can make him talk. You can change his costume. You see this one, we can make him move by moving through the next costumes. You can move the background. We've got our sounds. So you can play some sounds. You can record your own sound by just pressing record. And we've got our events. And these will make the sprites do stuff when they're clicked. The green arrow is clicked, so I'll drop that in for now. So if we go for motion, we get to set to random spaces. There we go. You see, when green flag is clicked, these go to random places. Change that to the space bar. So when and you can use any keyboard key that you want, but for now I'm just going to use the space bar. And then we have some controls. So we have repeat, forever, if and else. So if this, do that, else do something else. We will be covering them more in the material. This is a nested block, so it should repeat this 10 times. As you see, that was very fast. So if we add a second wait in this, there we go, every second he'll just appear randomly on the screen in different places. And we'll stop him. And then we save our projects. Remember always to save your projects, because if something happens, your computer crashes, and you've been working on it for hours and it's gone, and all your stuff will get saved in My Stuff. So have a little play with Scratch, and we'll be back on Monday and starting some new projects. This is Wirral Code Club with John the Boss, Chris the Dude, Katie the Voice. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. Take care guys. Bye.